Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this is where we discuss everything about the stock market's opening action to help you understand how the benchmark indices, the Nifty, the Sensex, the Nifty Bank, and all the sectors are moving in early trade today. The stocks that are in focus, the top five gainers, the top five losers of trade as well, and what are the top market experts talking about? Where is the market headed? All of that coming up over the next 4 to 5 minutes. So do stay tuned onto with me. Let's start off with the opening action first. We have opened in the green. So firm trade right now in the early session for the Indian markets. They seem to be recovering from yesterday's losses as well. Of course, the markets reacted downwards yesterday to the below than expectation Q1 GDP numbers that came in around 13%. There was an expectation of around 15% odd. So that's been a drag on the sentiments. What's going to be in focus today is the auto sector. Of course, from yesterday, they've been reporting the numbers right there. There is pain being seen or slowdown being seen in the commercial vehicle space, a stronger recovery, a sharp move in the passenger vehicle space as well. Those are the counters that you need to keep on your watch list in today's trading session. But if I take you through the highlights right now, so the markets are now slipping into the red. Right now, 17,514 being seen on the Nifty. So sudden turn of volatile movement is what you can actually see. And most of the market experts are saying that, they are cautious with the markets turning very, very volatile right now. 0.16% now. So early, just 5 minutes back, I did see the markets were trading in the green. It was more firm, but the markets have now slipped into the red with 1/10% lower, 22 advances to 28 declines. So the market breadth is favoring the bears at this point in time. What's doing well today? It's the stocks like Eicher Motors that have reported good set of sales data. NTPC, Apollo Hospitals, SBI Life, Power Grid, all of them up in trade as well. NTPC, the topmost gainer at 3.2% today. What's not doing well? It's Shree Cement, Indices Bank, Hero Motor Corp, Maruti. So some of the companies that have not been reporting good auto sales right here. Grasim also down in trade as well. Among the mid cap and the small cap indices, there's mixed trade. Mid caps in the green, small cap in the red. The India VIX is now at 19.8, and that's the level that you need to watch out for. In case we move up higher, above 20, there could be some further fall in today's trading session because we've always witnessed when the India VIX level crosses 20, that's when the market starts to fall as well. Most of the sectors are now turning into red. What's still holding up into the green is the FMCG pack, the slight gain in the auto space, and pharma pack. Rest all of the sectors have moved into the red now. The banking sector down 1/4%. Also, the PSU banks, which is down 1%, that's the drag factor right there for the Nifty Bank right here. Private banks down by 0.25% as well. Also, when you talk about the metal space, the IT space, the financial services, all of them are down in trade as well. So that's the kind of move that you're seeing on the downside for these kind of sectors in today's trading session. Let's also talk about the stocks that you need to keep in your radar in today's trading session. Well, Maruti Suzuki, right now it's down in trade. The largest car maker has reported a total sale of 1.65 lakh for the month of August. That's about 26% higher when compared to the sales in the same month last year. And the total domestic sales are somewhere around 1.35 lakh right there. LIC is in focus. It intends to raise its market share in the non-participating insurance products. That's going to be good news for the stock. Keep that stock in your radar in case you have invested via the IPO, got those shares. This could be the turning point of the stock giving you better returns right there. Now, talk about Hero Motor Corp. Of course, the stock is down yet again. It's reported just about flat, 2% increase in the total sales in the month of August. That's not been very, very, taken very well by the street. So the stock is down in trade. Adani Enterprises is also in focus, and so is Shree Cement. Remember, Shree Cement is down in trade. So Adani Enterprises will replace Shree Cement in the NSE's benchmark index Nifty 50 from September 30th. So that is why Shree Cement is trading down, and Adani Enterprises should be trading up in today's trading session. Keep that stock in your radar. Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, or KIMS, is in focus in today's trading session. Now, General Atlantic Singapore on Thursday has offloaded some shares in the hospital chain. So there could be some pressure coming in on the stock as well. UPL is in focus as the agri solutions provider. UPL Corporation has said that Mike Frank has been elevated as the chief executive officer of UPL. So there's some management changes right there. Keep that stock also in your radar. Eicher Motors, that stock is doing well, is among the top gainers in today's trading session. And that's where, because motorcycle maker Royal Enfield, which is a subsidiary of Eicher Motors, on Thursday has reported a 53% increase in the total sales at 70,000 units in in August 2022. So substantial increase right there, causing the stock to also move up higher in today's trading session as well. Apart from this, what are the things that you need to watch out for? After the Q1 GDP numbers have declined, there's SBI that has reported a slash in the FY23 growth forecast to 6.8%. Remember, most of the consensus sentiment is about 7%, 7.2%, 7.4% for this year, the Q1 GDP, as far as the RBI, the Finmin's, expectations are. But SBI slashing it to below 7% is definitely a concern. And perhaps that's exactly why the markets have turned the sentiment. The report has come in early this morning, somewhere around 9:30, and when the markets were opening in the green, this report is perhaps the reason why the markets are shifting the sentiment and slipping into the red. Also, what are the experts really talking about? VK Vijay Kumar, the market expert, believes that the near-term outlook for market has now turned bearish amid the volatility. So keep that in focus, because most of the experts who were actually positive on the index going forward, because of the volatility and the growth concerns, they are slightly cautious right now. Prashant Tapsi believes that Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 16,500 to 18,500. Mohit Nigam believes that Nifty may face some resistance at 17,800. I'm telling you all these different ideas so that you can get a sense of what are market experts really, how are they gauging the market sentiment at this point in time as well. What's good, however, is that GST collections have spiked 28% over last year to 1.44 lakh crore rupees. That's going to be a bit positive right there, because the government is going to get definitely more money coming in terms of taxes. So there could be some revenues flowing in for the government as well. Gold has inched higher for the third weekly fall, however, as the rate hike bets mount. Oil was firm, betting on the OPEC plus, talking on output cuts right there from that level too. So that's the kind of sentiment that we are gauging right in the early trade. Do stay tuned also for more update continuing throughout the day. I will bring you everything that you need to track as far as the stock markets are concerned. Thanks a lot for tuning in for this update for now.